Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I actually started trying to make this video yesterday and I recorded myself getting dinner into the crock pot. I was like, I'm gonna have a productive day. I'm gonna show that I made something for dinner.
I'll get a video.
Huh?
I'll get a video. Hello guys.
Anyway, and I had these plans for what I wanted to do that day. And I did get a couple things done yesterday, but nothing was recordable, if you know what I mean. I was working in the bathroom, I was fixing up I was sanding that hole that I've been working on, and I couldn't really record that because it's down in the corner behind the toilet. I forget what else I did. I don't know. I know I wanted to, I've been trying to, my mind's all over the place. I've been trying to get the stuff out of the playroom closet so that eventually that room can become a bedroom, but we use that playroom closet for storage for all kinds of things. So I had a plan that I wanted to go through the kitchen cabinets and try to make room in here for some of the stuff that's in that closet. That never ended up happening. I don't know. I did some stuff yesterday, but I didn't record much. So what else did I do? Oh yeah, I cleaned the windows. That's what I did. I recorded myself cleaning windows, and that was all I had, was cleaning windows and putting food in the crock pot. So that didn't turn into a video. But anyway, it's a new day today, and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna get done today. I don't know why I can't think straight. I don't even know. We got a big box outside on the porch. I'm gonna bring that in right now. It's supposed to be a piece for the transition, but for the bathroom floor, because we still haven't finished that part, where the two floors meet each other. So that is in that box. So I'm gonna bring that in right now. And my tripod is broken, so I have to buy another one. So all I have right now is this tiny little tripod, a handheld thing. So my angles might be kind of weird today because I don't have my normal tripod. But yeah, let's open that box and see what's in that. I'm pretty sure the part for the floor is not this long, so I don't know why it says it is big in the box, but let's open this up. Oh wow, maybe it is that long. That's weird. Okay, alright, I get it. Then you have to cut it, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It's very long. I didn't realize it was going to be this long, but I guess it's long because you never know how big of the opening is going to be between your two floors. So you're supposed to cut it, I guess. So obviously. So I'll leave this to Greg and he can figure out this. Hopefully it works and it looks okay. We just got home a little while ago though. We went out to Walmart and I returned those two binders that I had gotten for school that we don't need anymore. And then I went to the dollar store and I got some fake mums because I'm gonna do the same thing for the fall that I did in the spring outside with my little planter, and I had fake spring flowers in there. I'm gonna do fake fall flowers this time. So we lucked out. The Dollar Tree had a lot of flowers out, and so yeah, I got a bunch of fake mums and I'm gonna stick them in my flower pot. Not yet. I'm not ready to put up fall decorations yet, but soon, maybe a week or so.
Mommies?
No, mums is the name of the flower. Not moms.
Not mommies?
Nope. But yeah, I'm gonna put them all in my little flower pot and make it look cute. And then I got these little mini scarecrow things to stick in there too. I think it'll look really cute when I get that all together. And it's so much better than buying a $12 or $13 pot of mums that die in 2 weeks, because I can't keep flowers alive outside. I just forget about them, I don't think about it, and they just die. And then after the dollar store, we went to Target and I just got Greg a laundry basket because I had thrown out his other laundry basket because it was one of those ones that had a fabric liner inside, but you couldn't take the liner out and wash it. So he had it for a few years and it was just starting. One day it dawned on me, I was like, I can wipe out the other plastic laundry baskets, but I can't wash that one at all. So yeah, I just threw that one out and I got him a plastic one that I could wipe down and everything. So we did that, and then I did want to go to Home Depot to get some more wood because I'm trying to do some shelving, more shelving projects. I want to do a hall closet shelf project, and I want to put a shelf up in the bathroom, above the door for storage. So I was going to go there and get some wood, but by the time I had already gone to Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and Target, I just did not feel like going anywhere else, and I didn't feel like going into Home Depot and trying to buy wood with 4 kids, so we did not do that. So it's quiet time right now. I think what I'm gonna do, one thing I'm gonna do is just, I got some wood filler here and I'm gonna use this and fill in the nail holes on the trim that I put up, and then I'll be able to paint that and I won't have to see the nail holes anymore. And I also need to put some of this on the boys' door upstairs. So I don't know. I'll probably do that after they get up, just so, you know. Or I'll just wait till quiet time's over and then I'll do that upstairs. So quiet time's over. For quiet time, instead of like doing a bunch of stuff, I just decided to lay on the couch, watch some YouTube videos, and then I kind of fell asleep a little bit, but not really sleeping, more like resting my eyes. Now I know, as a parent, what that phrase means, resting your eyes. Like, I wasn't sleeping, but I was just resting. I was just like, if I fall asleep, that'd be cool, but I didn't actually fall asleep. But it was still nice to have some rest time, and yeah, I just wanted to use that time where I was gonna have no interruptions to watch some videos and, you know, just chill out. And I think what I'm really gonna try to do is stay off my phone more during the day. I've been noticing I've been falling back into just like picking it up all the time and trying to watch videos and trying to learn about, you know, I've been watching a lot of like religion videos and stuff like that, and Catholicism, and trying to learn all that. So that's been where like my mind has been, and I've been trying to learn during the day, but it's like hard to learn when like there's kids around. No, stop jumping, you're gonna break your bed. Anyway, I've just found myself picking up my phone a lot more, and not just recently, but like over the past months and stuff. I've felt like I've been on my phone too much. So yeah, I just had this thought that maybe I should just try to fit that in my phone time during quiet time, and then really just try to put it away when the kids are up and not have it be the thing that is distracting me from everything else. So anyway, that was my thinking with that, was I'm just gonna use that time for my phone time and to like chill out and relax a little bit. And now my phone is up on the shelf downstairs and I'm really gonna try to stay off of it. But anyway, upstairs in the boys' room right now, and oops, sorry Paisley. This is a new door. Greg he put a new door on their room because their old one was really crappy. It's not painted yet or anything. I have to paint it still, but before I paint it, I want to fix up this a little bit. Greg did his best putting doors in the holes and making this line up with like that on the wall. It's very tricky. But anyway, it's a little bit messed up here, so I'm gonna use the wood filler to try to fix that up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up here, but before I go, I want to say that I have signed myself up for RCIA classes, but the new name is OCIA classes, and that's just like Catholic confirmation classes for adults. Like at the end of it, you receive the sacrament of confirmation if you want to, I guess. I'm not doing it, like, I don't really know. I didn't sign up to be confirmed. I kind of signed up to just take a class, a free class, and get some questions answered by someone who's supposed to have the answers and be knowledgeable. And someone had left a comment on one of my videos saying that suggesting that I should just take the classes just for that reason, like just to have some of my questions answered. And I was like, that's a good idea. And I jumped on it because the classes are starting up soon. It's starting like in 2 weeks, and yeah, I think it's only going to be me and like one other person, so that should be interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna bring my whole list of questions. I have a notebook where I've just been like writing down notes and thoughts that come to mind, questions and everything. So I'll bring that with me and hopefully get some questions answered, and we'll see where that goes. I don't know. I've been watching a lot of like Catholic apologists on YouTube. Council of Trent is one of them. I've been watching. Well, there's another one called Pints with Aquinas. I haven't been watching too much of him, but I've been watching a lot of the Council of Trent, and I don't know, every question that is asked of the Catholic faith, like questioning it, he has the answer to it, and it's like a really good answer, and he seems like he knows what he's talking about, and it all goes back to like, everything goes back to the very beginning of Christianity. So I don't know, it just seems like he knows what he's talking about, and a lot of the stuff about Catholicism that's misunderstood, he explains it really well. So I don't know, just been watching a lot of those kinds of videos and feeling led in that direction. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know how my OCIA classes go if you're interested. I've been talking to a lot of people on Instagram about this more, so find me on Instagram if you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys for my next one. Bye.